Thanks for joining us at Leggari Products today. Tyler's going to be resurfacing a countertop using a black base, green apple and silver highlights, and gray dispersing effects. Check out how easy this transformation process is right here.
Getting ready to do the base coat. I'm going to apply this whole kit with just a Bondo squeegee. Get them from a local Home Depot sells them, even like your auto parts store. I'm doing it with the squeegee to show you how simple our kits are to apply, how awesome the self-leveling is on them, and how you don't really need any rollers or anything. I'm sure you guys saw the video of where I did it with my hands. Not a lot of products can do what our products do, and we always like to show how simple they are the kits are to install. So I'm just going to get everything out of here that I can. Typically you would take a roller, a paint roller, and start rolling this out. But like I said, I'm just going to do everything with the squeegee. Same technique though, I'm going to go back and forth on my bead just like we would on a roller and kind of get it pretty even. But again, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's an awesome product. It self-levels. Now obviously you would probably want to do a bigger squeegee than what I got going on here. It's a little shorty, but we'll go fast, so. I'm going to add my highlights now. Probably going to do like a vein here with the green, and then I'll maybe do another vein and kind of jump it across so it looks like this is kind of cut out and they kind of matched it up. So again, there's so many different ways you guys can do veins and all kinds of stuff. It's always good to make them thick, then thin. You don't want them like perfectly even. Like that. Awesome. And then what we'll do, we're gonna want to get some green on some other spots. We're just gonna kind of some random spots here and there just on the top because we want to get some green throughout these faces. That's going to let it kind of flow over, you know. We're going to be blending these all together anyway, so with our squeegee. I mean, we still got to do silver. this product, it's just so forgiving. Like, I'll even show you, like say you did these veins and you just didn't like them, you'll kind of see when we start blending the colors together, because you can leave them just like this if you want. That's completely fine. But I will show you, we don't want these to go the same exact way. Run one next to this a little bit, right on that edge. Now we're going to do some on the edges. Again, because we want some grays, and we want some greens on the edges randomly, and also now we want some grays too. So I'm just kind of putting these in random spots, and they'll start flowing over. Okay, so I'll do the squeegee in between all these big veins. Because you can, I mean, it looks really cool if you just leave these veins kind of unmessed with. But all I'm going to do is I'm just taking this squeegee and just kind of blending these colors in, right? I'm not going to hit the big veins yet. But look at that. See how cool that makes it and blends it? Real simple. I'm also going to be doing the edges as I go. So all I'm really doing on the tops, and then I kind of hit the edges a little. But in about 10 minutes, this is gonna look awesome. It's gonna look really, really cool. Same thing here. You kind of see how that color just kind of flows out with it. Get that green going. All we're doing is just trying to blend these colors so they're not dominant lines. So see, you can leave the more concentrated veins, blend these, but we'll do the whole thing in between the big veins, and we'll come back and blend the big veins just so it all kind of flows together. But it's cool, it's just such an easy technique. But notice I'm kind of going with the flow of my veins. I'm not kind of going sideways with it. Kind of tilting that, running that vein down a little farther. And I'm not even thinking, I'm just like blending these colors. It's simple. I think we'll just leave it at that. It's pretty random. Looking really, really cool, guys. Alright guys, we're adding our dispersing effects with the same color green mixed into isopropyl alcohol. Then we're going to take black and do the same thing.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a fun time making it for you. Don't forget to stay up to date with all the new techniques and videos we're releasing by subscribing to our YouTube channel, subscribing and liking our Facebook page, Instagram. Again, thank you. This was fun.